Hello everyone! The one single item which is an absolute necessity in the toolbox of today's florists, including my own, is UGlu Dashes from Smithers-Oasis. These dashes come in a box of 1,000 and its uses are too many to mention. Personally, I hardly ever create anything without the use of at least a dash or two. So in today's video, I want to share 5 quick tips on how to use UGlu Dashes efficiently and properly. One dash is quite often too big for most of my tasks. A half a dash gives just as solid an adhesion as a full one. In fact, if you use a full dash, it may leave visible mechanics, which results in the need for additional work and material to cover. The obvious solution is to use the size of dash to fit the job. By cutting into half, a third, or even quarter size, you end up using only what's needed and extending the dollar cost of your box of UGlu. Think of it in the same way you would with other means of gluing. If all that's needed is a dab of glue, then a quarter of a dash is most often more than enough. As the dashes roll out of the box, they all have a peel tab on their outer edge. So when you cut the dash into half or thirds, make sure you cut across the roll to keep that peel tab usable for each divided dash. Keep your scissors from getting gummed up when cutting UGlu dashes, try using titanium non-stick scissors or dip your regular scissor blades in water before cutting. Make sure to clean and dry all surfaces prior to gluing, as UGlu provides strong adhesion as long as the surfaces are smooth as well as dust and moisture free. Also, if the design is refrigerated, the moisture from condensation may loosen the adhesion. By touching up the bond with a dab of Oasis Floral adhesive, it will guarantee the bond. Given that moisture loosens the bond, soaking in water is the best way to remove UGlu dashes after use. The UGlu dash can also serve as an extra pair of hands. For example, when tying 2 bamboo skewers together with bind wire. The dashes hold the bind wired spot in place and prevent it from sliding out of position. The UGlu dash also holds it while you tie. So thanks for watching today's quick tips. I hope some of these tricks will help save you both time and money. If you'd like to find out more about UGlu dashes, I've posted a link in the description below. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel for future content. And one more thanks to UGlu Dashes, you made my life and gluing tasks so much easier. I know that my toolkit will never be without a box.